LAF Sign Language Solutions virtual interpreting services are beneficial in many ways, both academically and socially for our students. Listen as one facilitator explains how services were beneficial to their student.
My name is Latoya Ramos. I am a special education facilitator at Southside ISD in San Antonio, Texas. The student that we service here that requires interpreter services is a junior, 11th grade. He will be a senior next year. There's a lot of ways that having the interpreter services has helped our student here on campus. Academically, it definitely allowed him to access the curriculum. It was a huge help for him. The other thing too is socially, he was really comfortable in using the interpreter services to communicate with his friends. He didn't have any issues utilizing the interpreter services to help him speak to his friends about, whatever the kids talk about. So it was just overall beneficial academically and non-academically. I would greatly recommend LAF interpreter services to any school district or any entity that's looking for these types of services for many reasons, but specifically because it was such a smooth process. It's something that is taken care of. It's something that's one less thing off of your plate. And the communication has always been very good with everyone involved. And for those reasons in itself, I would highly recommend LAF services for interpreters.